In this video, I will show you how to download the Hamster Kombat. So for this case, to access Hamster Kombat at the first time, what you'll do, you come and tap on this link over here. And don't worry, I'll leave a link over here in the video description. Okay, so when you see this link, just come and tap on it. And when you tap in this link over here, it will tell you to open over here. And then you open the link. And the link will lead you to Telegram. Before that, it will just open up in the Chrome browser. As you can see, it's opening up. And when it's done opening up, it will later take you to Telegram over there. Okay, so when it takes you to Telegram, it will automatically open up the bot. As you can see, the bot is loading up and the Hamster Kombat is now loading up. So point to note that your Hamster Kombat will be connected to your Telegram account. As you can see, for my case, it's now opening up over here. If you try to open up and it fails to open up, just come and tap on the search bar over there and then search for Hamster Kombat and then tap on play over there. When you tap on play, the bot will now open up your account like that. And now we are opening up our Hamster Kombat over there. So let's be patient until it's done opening up and see. Okay, so when it's done opening up, this is how it looks like at the home page. When you tap over here on this icon, you'll be mining. Okay, when you tap on these friends over here, you can also come and invite your friends. And if each friend you invite, you'll be earning 5,000 coins. When you come to the earn section over here, okay, you can do all these tasks and then earn some more coins. And when you come to airdrop, you can come here and then connect your Tone Keeper wallet, okay, by tapping on connect wallet. Okay, so for that case, that's it guys, and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.